All right, so just a quick vid on how to find R for a regression and how to use calculator for a regression in general, right? So I've input here 10 different heights in inches, and to the right of that, I've input the corresponding shoe sizes. So one thing that you need to note is that I have put the shoe size of the alleged person a lot paired with the height of that person. So the person with a height of 70 inches has a shoe size of size 10, 71 inches size 10 shoe, 64 inches size 8 shoe. And this is, of course, hypothetical. I made this up. But we're pretending that we conducted a survey of 10 people and got their height and their shoe size, right? So we have two quantitative variables here. So one of the questions we'd be asked is, what is R? Now remember, R helps describe the strength and the direction of scatter plot. We can imagine that the relationship between height and shoe size is one that's positive. As you get taller, your shoe size probably increases. We do not necessarily know how strong it may be. So what we can do to check that in this hypothetical survey, of course, is we can go do statistics, and it's our stat calculations, and we go to two variable statistics. We input our lists. I have height and I have shoe size, and I hit OK, and it gives us a whole bunch of stuff. Now what we are interested in specifically though is R, our correlation coefficient. So R in this case is 0.95. So this says this is a very strong correlation. It's a strong positive correlation. If we were to put this on a scatter plot, we would see that the points are close together and they are increasing as we go from left to right. If we want to check to see what that actually looks like, we can we can add data and statistics, put height as our X variable, and put shoe size as our Y variable, and we can see that yes, indeed, we have a strong positive relationship between our height and our shoe size. It doesn't give us R on this, but we can see the picture and we can predict, oh, we would probably have an R somewhere in the 0.9 range. And to confirm, we do in fact have an R of 0.95. If we wanted to see the equation for the actual regression line, we could do that by hitting Menu, Analyze, hit Regression, and then Show Linear. And then there is our equation as well as the line that represents the regression equation, the least squares regression equation. And there you go.